In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Windows shortcuts on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize these shortcuts on your Mac. You can do this to make them more like the Windows shortcuts if you are just now making the transition, or if you just want to change them because you prefer the alternative shortcuts. Even if you want to make custom ones that aren't necessarily from Windows, you will still be able to do this. So all that you have to do is go over to the Apple icon at the top left and then access the System Preferences. So go into the System Preferences, aka the settings, and one of the categories is going to be Keyboard. So at the bottom, you will find Keyboard. In here, go into Keyboard Shortcuts. So you will see the option at the top. As the name suggests, this allows you to customize every single shortcut associated to various different categories on your Mac. So now you will see all of the categories. You have Display, Launchpad and Dock, Mission Control, Keyboard, Input Sources, and so on. There's a lot of stuff to cover. Sadly, for this video, I cannot show you every single shortcut or else it would take way too long. But basically, you can gather the main shortcuts that you like to use from Windows and set them up here. There should be an equivalent function available in one of these categories, and all that you have to do is select the option to change it. And you can associate new keys by double-clicking the key combination and then typing the new keys using your keyboard. Afterwards, make sure that you select Done and save it. Also, double-check to see if you have enabled the shortcut. So they do give you the option to disable specific ones. So if a particular shortcut is bothering you, just make sure to disable it. And as long as you go into the keyboard shortcuts within the System Preferences or Settings, you can alter any of these. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shortcuts or Windows keyboard shortcuts on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.